Normal ken yamwe kanas dialtin content barwanya lingwasame kanwar online TV channel and wale eshang kawel joka pai wero ron kina dangro wide jandangro wide diech. Banro dan palpin kaliang ruanya tin ban linka jan gwasame. Jo bana linge be ka kume Dr. Riek Machar. Dr. Riek Machar ne tin konti la jikware tin ngas kaja. Alalu yalis chicken dole chadol kuma kirmi yadi chicken rejak ke chicken lok eno take a resolution malatke a meeting edana chalare wiki juba SPLMIO mendipin interim chairman o yet Nathaniel o yet chair rejak a resolution taye china dol gajere wiki juba eno take a queen quarry me ba latke transitional period me ba tuk a charge banyoka mo kwaje extent karaj mishar release ke statement mishar release political bureau meeting mishalat ka changa dioka jok kuma SPLMIO chicken meeting mo chicken look can recognize ko kan querian ne first by president Dr. Machar kanakon Martin kene nimi cha Dr. Machar cha konno nya jende ne kule recognize ko gorga jano de jaw Dr. Machar de jawling jundo shakana no cha de gor no ba jaw Dr. Machar ba jaling high level committee meeting an chalat re week juba wajen che kuma SPLMIO cha jaban pin kan kuma SPLMIO kan matin anta chalat ke je chalat wone na Dr. Machar mukana konluñ ke kana kon kamrar gwada dante tin ke tijen kana lugo dana lokaje mukana kon pal tel mishal ke national election amani mala dana latke re wiki juba chalat Nathaniel yedenu name abang bang ka jawdana chelat chajala do nena en dole chadul gwasa mo ka juba kirme yadi te kana bonten kokien awa dane to kokien chaka banjoten en mala dana chala deken awa chadiamal ko en rameda ne ko mal tan mala Dr. Machar first by president Dr. Machar tendurgon awajen tegalwang okarwade ko en party de la party SPLMIO kane te kon te tan kamal rewich kasa Sudan shimwa kan partner ko kena kontin chikiro do kulo latin no ite ka partner bikan kalat kie ba ko inquiry ba kalat keje Dr. Riek Machar ngudere ti jen shere ngai kona jikume de shela no men chalat gwase me chine lok kane recognize Makan first by president makana konluñ re wich ke juba kenen tela mishal ke ku inquiry ko gwasan be ko kuma kirme yadi chike la no nena en ku inquiry ba de lat karon kina dang ro de jandang ro de bakelen be tele peace agreement me de lat tele Dr. Machatin ke kuma SPLMIO shade mantok en atem ko te ka ku inquiry me ba lat tele Riek Machar wana mo tarakeli wa kaj andol chaje dul ka shanga wel ka pai wero ronkin dang ro wi jandang ro de diech gwal mi kirma yadi cha kwardia tela political parties la kwara tone tanien ke signatory karib to peace agreement da na cha tan Canada to wa Canada content show high level committee meeting an chalare wi ke juba dundo cha kume Dr. Machar chaje dong jor ka Canadian content la ke figure ka jan male dane chatan koron kin dangro widwal badak an ko inquiry ga jawdan en chalat keje la national election jen ba jalat ke chan jan dangro widero ka pai wero ron kin dangro jan dangro wid bakel mishi malje gware wi ka so Sudan jan shanga dan de lene ko inquiry duno antama name awachelet ko Dr. Machar ngudare tijen Chinedian Contin Tirach and Okajan Friday, Minister of Presidential Affairs Africano Mande Gedima, Yala do nene Jene presidency she right makan lalet che approved quick inquiry ku inquiry ba je dilat ka jen shanka jandang rawide ka pai wero ron kin dangro wi jandang rawide bakal janta danan tiketin an dolan shadul kuma kirma yadit to point and President Salva Kiir Mayadi teten to Vice President teten to Dr. James Wanega teten la economic cluster to Joseph Lagu Yanga teten again social cluster to Tabanda Ngai teten run infrastructure cluster to Rebecca Nyandeng Mabur teten gender and youth cluster kene to content chidwal chikana 10 ki chigashupten nede ko kena content ci wen kajan parina mo kuma SPLM ayo faction mene pinya Stephen Parkwall la South Sudan opposition alliance taken former detainees can other opposition parties taken in Guadama ci SPLM ayo ci kan lado wonena jando ba cha dakma cha yen kaje kane jando ba danen cha GSP ayo cha kamat kai label committee but charge locating kontila kume dakma chara kene chicken mo chicken recognize ke jodan chalat ke ko kene ngo dakma char ngode re loyena chine bi recognize enamlat ke ken chine bi chonga ka kel ko cha kan chicken goro take a mal mugor ke re wi ke South Sudan charin chu woch re mal kamandan en lat ke re wi ke juba so ne kon lat ka mal gwasamo dun kume kirme yadit karwade. The SPLM-IO under interim chairman Oyed Nathaniel has rejected the resolution of an extended presidency meeting that was announced no further extension of South Sudan transitional period, citing a lack of inclusivity and participation. In a statement released following a political bureau meeting on Wednesday, the SPLM-IO Sudan People Liberation Movement in opposition said the meeting did not involve its leadership, including suspended First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar Durgon, who remains in confinement and is facing trial in Juba. According to the information, the high-level standing committee for the implementation of the agreement does not include a representative of the Sudan People Liberation Movement in opposition, as it was reconstituted immediately after the arrest of Dr. Riek Machar Durgon to purge it of the members of the SPLM-IO, the statement read. Therefore, according to the information, the extended presidency meeting lacked inclusivity. As such, decisions made by the meeting are not binding, and the other parties cannot amend the reconstituted without the participation and consent of the SPLM-IO as one of the major party signatory to the reconstituted. The party stressed that any amendment to the peace agreement cannot be made without the participation and consent of SPLM-IO, and accused other parties are attempting to use the current political crisis to dismantle the reconstituted rather than genuinely preparing for election. The extended presidency meeting on 10 December 2025 brought together leaders of political parties signatory to the revitalized agreement and members of the high-level committee for its implementation. According to the report, one key resolution proposed amending the peace agreement to allow election to be held by December 22nd, 2026, even if some preparatory activities are not completed. Speaking at a State House briefing on Friday, Minister of Presidential Affairs Africano Mande said the presidency had unanimously approved amendment to allow the election. He added that political grievances would be addressed through dialogue and pending provision of the peace agreement that cannot be completed before the poll would be paused until after the election. The meeting was chaired by President Salva Kiir Mayardit, with Vice President Dr. James Wanega, the economic cluster, Joseph Lagu Yanga, the social cluster, Taban Dengai, the infrastructure cluster, and Rebecca Nyandeng Demabur, gender and youth cluster in attendance. Other attendants include the SPLM and SPLM-IO faction under Stephen Parkour, the South Sudan Opposition Alliance, former detainees, and other opposition parties. The SPLM-IO also claimed that following Dr. Riek Machar arrest, the high-level committee no longer includes its representative. Based on this concern, SPLM-IO say the meeting's decisions are not binding and has distanced itself from all resolutions adopted during the extended presidency meeting. The statement was signed by Honorable Engineer Joseph Malual Dong, focal person of the SPLM-IO Political Bureau and chairperson of the Party National Committee for Foreign and International Relations. Joe Shali Ngwasame Shikume SPLM-IO shikana lugono bikana part kamandana shala da kirmi yadit. Akana mukanda kama char kana konun rete jen shikan mandan latke kirmi yadit shikana bugor. Kuma SPLM-IO akan shikirmi yadit chamal chajadak. Janishi other parties ke bonten koken shikan na moju kana shunanga low advantage kake. Gorkano de kan kuma moraike Dr. Machar de kan dismantle. Ko shadelet ko janadana gorkana chukuma SPLM-IO kulu wenana ekanishine bilet ke kirmi yadit ke national election me ko jan jane diala kontin members ke senior SPLM-IO ke leader SPLM-IO kan dial shaka wuch chenge dana shikane tijidini gana nyom ko inkan ka transitional government antama sha advantage mo cha nyom milal ga jakir kirmi yadit cha prum ni jano ka changa jandang rawi da ro ka pai wero ronkin dang ro jandang rod bakal ba queen kwara ba jalat rai wich ka South Sudan ana mo cha gu jano yera malka me chikana ta in kana Dr. Machar no tele queen kwari mi de lat unless Riek Machar she barar no ka china nyo go mulu na jok mi de barare tijen ko tam ngode re tijen ja andarawa sares ka nyok bani ngode te gwalok lokaje e kum kirmi yade sara de wonena tele me de woni am kan Dr. Machar mu kana konlo shi kuma SPLM-IO men de pin keram dal acting chairman tamana tanelu yet je chungo gono jani shikan biya pa da mandan lero da kan sharudin distant kamalat ke kirmi yadit akane kirmi yadit ko winmon ko je full ke ko je jako chicken talk chicken bungai ko lero da wika South Sudan akane a crisis magoro de je realeka ke de ja kapchon ko en kir mu woni amano lar jeno te ke queen kwarum ba lat de men chela de wonena jene sha permanent constitution cha bitu ko tam ba jo tu ko core election ka jene to sha population census cha je bulat ba queen kware ba jo kon lad yo ko koro yo ba no mo ba jo post ba queen ba pena ba kulo kwen cha pena cha kwen yo ba result ba kulo no na makarwa da yar malka ka do badana shagwi keje alati ga tun wani gor ke no de lalet makan ka kontuk telemishal ke no de queen kwar de lalet kuma da rama cha ci ga rajan wonena ne ke nyam ko gwase dan me china nyur chala do te ga turchop ko wan ke doctor de lalet men yam ajan bon woni de kontuk ka gwar la permanent constitution anta me kirmi yadi de no and charge bu tugan permanent constitution ko ji queen kwar che tyak ba jawlat ka kor ka me sha queen kwar cha jalat no mone violation point the peace agreement e dana cha tanya Dr. Machar kane kume kirmi yadi Roda gwazme chinanyo rajane eno de population census de jere aleka lo de ping ne di aldeja kwen banamo cha jojo gwano chikire nyoko mebeleje ajane kandarn by youth data ante wal nega 2010 kangai kondi ale eno ping ne to ngwan china liu ke chinaria an mobo jaga jako bela violation tele population census mi de olat ka kore chi kwen kware a chajalat namo wa violation bo ka peace agreement e cha tanya jan kir kana Dr. Machar Meridian gwasa me wa refugees returning back home ka South Sudan do badana de refugees de lo jogo je ka South Sudan ko de kan nyo mulu nga jogre wi namo ngoda kan la chume tama kan me mas la en lo ke refugee jog chala do mas namo ne wa ngoda ba kana kon lat so ne me chebmen talk men jagwa de me men shal keno unification of forces lamma de ne gwa kel ko ba de indial ba ma gwa scale de ne SPLM-IO Congo dini SSPDF kene de India la konin tere wajen wanamo kan dial ba lo jogan den ka kore ba queen kwar ba ja kula lat ban kan ko kon ma telemission ke queen kware ka kwisha mo shukuma Dr. Machar chikan yulada no chikan bia part ka kirma yadit manana chalat ka queen kware no jan ko misline na so kana bugarodian distant ngai kon diala no Dr. Machar ngot queen kware kananelat ngode ko dong de la kon barar ba queen kware ba ja kulalat after that mite me de la de ja kulalat but for now man gorge lungo de Dr. Machar de jalon dene dial de kan campaign de kan kular ke queen kware ngoda bakan trial mo gwalo kan to ka gwe jano batok ne to ngwan gwi kan ore ma char ba ja yana mo kach reng ma char be berar ko jana free tera dur me chalat ka content chalat re lok chet ke nen kene de konta tela witness ne la dial koni kan kalat ne ndien ke mechi to wa kan dial yuden dial ka cash ne so ne me de tin ke mla roden tama rai wechen winemi kajuba re ma char ka konintin be ko tama look charge look already cha nyom ko je passport bana another report ba bana leje ka kwida ka kor gwasan be bana chongno gwasamo han be atega mal